What did you catch?
4 boys from the
Where did you go?
Salagie.
Salagie, my area. These ones are brothers?
Yeah.
Do you know why I know they are brothers?
No.
They have the same ears. This is what you learn in genetics, when you study 6 years veterinary medicine. They teach you a lot. Nice dogs. Very nice, very nice. People were complaining that you're not too much on video anymore. That you are not showing. Because you're always hiding, that's the problem.
No, I'm not hiding.
But you know what? People are always complaining. When I show operation videos, they say we want more mango worms.
Yeah.
When I show mango worms, they say we want more fatu.
When you saw Fatu.
Problem.
Hai. Alguien que se lo quede. Alguien que. Acha. Hai. Ini mana kau? Mana lu? Mana?